there. Hi. Welcome back to Anna's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making strawberry sorbet. Do you think it's going to taste nice, Arian?
Yay!
And before we get started, it's really hot today and we need the things. And we need something that Arian could wear. We do need these to pluck the strawberries. We don't need these. We don't need that. We need this. Do you want to wear this, Arian?
No.
Okay, I'll wear it then. Let's move on with the video. First thing we need to do is, what is it?
Strawberry.
No, pluck the strawberries. You're right with strawberries. And the way we're plucking the strawberries is we're taking a stick and make sure it's not a garden stick, a cooking stick. And then you take a strawberry, you put it at the bottom, and I'm going to show you how to do it. And then you push it to the top. And then if it doesn't push the leaves off, then you can just pull it with your hands. Oops. Ew. So do that to all your strawberries. And we plucked 20 strawberries and leave your strawberries in the freezer overnight. So yesterday we plucked about 20 strawberries and we left it in the freezer overnight. And this is how it should be. It should be nice and hard. Now we've put in our iced strawberries inside our blender. We have to add 1/4 cup of water inside the blender, and that will help it not get so hard. It'll get a bit softer. Do you want to add this, sorry?
Yes.
This is lemon juice, and we're adding it. And then to sweeten it up, we're adding some maple syrup. Now, put only a little bit. Now we're going to blend it all up. Let's see what happens. No, don't spill it. Don't spill it. I'll only let you hold it. It's not blended up well, so we're going to add just a bit more butter. Do you want to add it in?
Yeah.
Good boy. Now we're going to blend it again. Let's move on. Look at this, it's so creamy and strawberry-ish and it tastes delicious. Well, now we have to put this mixture in here and we're going to use a spatula to wipe off the sides of this. He just did it by himself. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wait, hold this on. Oh my gosh, Ari, no, don't give me that back. Okay.
I'm gonna put a ring.
Now you have to pop it in the freezer and it'll be ready tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye! Arian, say bye.
Bye-bye.
I hope you enjoy it.
Ooh
la la. Ooh la la. Arian, is it yummy?
No.
Then why are you eating it? Why are you eating it?
Don't forget to like and subscribe.